Hello, we're Team 174, the KVVNBS team, and the challenge that we're tackling is the Honda Challenge. So, how did we go about solving the challenge of indoor navigation? So, we decided to use a system of BLE beacons. BLE beacons are low-energy Bluetooth beacons that transmit an RSSI signal value to your phones. So, your phone can pick up these RSSI signal values, and based off the signal strength of all these different beacons, can essentially put together a localization system of where you are in the building.
So what do we do with this BLE beacon-based localizer? Using a custom app, we allow a user to input where in the building they want to get to, and utilizing a path planning algorithm, we let the user navigate to the location that they want to get to using an arrow on the screen, which points them in the direction of travel. Here's a demo of our product.
Here's us showcasing the Bluetooth beacon sending packets to our ESP32 Bluetooth module. Our custom C code running on the ESP32 reads the beacon's address and the RSSI proximity.
BLE beacons can sometimes be found in existing infrastructure. In this example, we found beacons through an apartment complex as each of their locks utilized a Bluetooth device to unlock their door. The BLE beacon was sent as the room number and sent a signal strength as well. This allows for easier implementation as little hardware is required for future use. In the future, this can be implemented with Wi-Fi routers as they also transmit RSSI signals.
Over the past 24 hours, there were a lot of things that we tried that unfortunately didn't pan out as expected. One of those things, and something that we truly spent a lot of time on, was trying to get the app working on an Android device. Unfortunately, when compiling the code from Android Studio onto our tablet, we were receiving errors when we're actually trying to open the app to run the code.
After falling short with Android Studio, we decided to go back to iOS and use React Native. In our second iteration, we ensured that the link between the C code and the React portion of the project worked, and we were successfully able to get the phone to communicate and to follow a set point.
Although our app works for basic navigation paths, there's still a lot more that we can do. The biggest change that we would like to add is adding a feature where a building admin would be able to block off a section of the building that users cannot travel through. With that being said, our path planning algorithm can actually account for these blocks, allowing the users to still get from point A to point B in the fastest way possible.
A major advantage of BLE beacon systems are that it can be powered through using existing infrastructure such as exit signs and even AA batteries for over 6 to 8 months. This is especially useful for first responders to mitigate emergency situations, even in the event of a power outage. Additionally, the beacons can be equipped with additional sensors such as temperature or pressure sensors to provide for even more innovation in the field of IoT.